Welcome back to Central New York's Open House. Well, today we're here on location in Rome, where this homeowner is having us back for a second time. The first time he put a few windows in, and now he's doing a few more. At New York Sash, we can work with you whether it's a small project or you want to do all the windows all at once. Let's take a closer look at this project.
We're putting in a couple replacement windows here in Rome, New York this morning. First thing when we arrive onto the job site, we usually get things set up. We set up our caution tape just to make sure we're following proper procedures and keeping everybody safe. We get our batteries charging, we get our brakes set up and our tables, we get our windows around where they're supposed to install, the ladders set up, and we just try to organize the job site a little bit for the day. And then we start removing the old windows and putting the new ones in.
The old ones are leaking. Not raining that, but the wind in that one is below. In the winter and the storms and that, you can feel the cold air just coming in around them.
So Ryan's currently wrapping a replacement window. He's currently doing the sill of a window that was already replaced once. The buck frame is relative to the house. It's probably around the 1940s or 50s. And he's wrapping it with a PVC coated aluminum coil, so it'll be waterproof for the rest of the life's home to come. We just finished up installing this window. We just have a couple things left to do. We've got to use a paintable silicone to seal it to the existing trim. After it's screwed off and installed properly, we peel all the stickers off, and then we clean all of the glass. That's it. So today we're doing a window job. Monday and Tuesday this week I did a bathroom remodel. Last week I did a siding job with our siding crew. And the nice thing about working with New York Sash is I can kind of flip around to help out all the guys on whatever project the company is doing. We're very diverse carpenters here.
Quality work, no problems, no mess. They clean up after themselves. So when we needed windows this last winter, we came back to you.
We're gonna finish up the inside. We're gonna wrap the outside in the same metal PVC coil that we did the other window. And then these three windows here are all finished up in just a half a day.